The heaviest engraving products are chemical inks that enhance the action of the laser beam. You can get better engraving with less energy in less time. This is an important money-saving feature that you can take advantage of. The products are sprayed or brushed into the surface. Then you apply the laser beam. The intensity of the engraving depends on the time, distance, temperature, and speed of the laser beam. We assist our customers the first times they use our products by advising how to improve the results. We just need photos of the results. Our products are unique in the way they provide color engraving over plastic. They also provide color over other surfaces like metal, ceramics, and others. The heaviest products are formulated for 25 to 50 watts laser power and to medium speeds, but they can work very well with more or less power laser machines. Always test. Always test your conditions at different potencies and speeds on a disposable sample of the material. We usually provide a piece of plastic where you can test your machines over a standard material, and we will provide advice to you to achieve the best results. Our products can be customized to fit the individual needs of our customers. Ask us about it.